Hi guys, it's Abdullah from topsourcer.com and I'm back with another automation video. In this video I will show you how to automatically source thousands of candidates from GitHub. Now I'm sure you're familiar with the manual usual way to source candidates from GitHub. So you have these cool filters that GitHub lets you use where you can filter between languages and locations, and you will see a list of users on their platform. However, you will have to go on each user profile you find, blah blah blah, look through their achievements, followers count, look through their repos, and assess if they're a decent fit for the job. Also, if you know how to scrape their emails, it's a bit manual. It's a cool thing to be able to find their email in the first place. However, it's a very manual process because you'll have to go to one of their repos and then I think this section, and then you go to the end of the URL and you type in .patch, I think, and then you'll be able to see their email. Yeah, so now I have this user's email. However, I've built a whole automation that does all of this for hundreds of candidates, like automatically. So you don't have to touch anything. You just have to give GitHub this search and then boom, it will do it for you. It will list all of those profiles in a spreadsheet just like this. So you'll have their full name, location, tech stack. I've made the automation analyze each repo on each profile, and it will give me the percentage of the language used on all of their account. So you can see which language they use the most, and you will be able to tell if they're a good fit for the job you're hiring for, right? Now you'll have their bio, their followers count, repos count, last activity date, members since, their company if they choose to disclose that, if they are hireable on GitHub jobs, and most importantly, you'll see their emails. Now, some people might use multiple emails in multiple repos. The cool thing about my automation is that it will be able to scrape all of their emails that are used. Most people only use one email, but some people might have another email they choose to use if it's their company email or their personal email. So you can see both. And then their blog, portfolio, website, or anything else, and in some cases you'll be able to see their LinkedIn as well. Okay, let me show you the automation. So this is my automation that I have built in n8n. It's a great automation platform that you can leverage to do multiple tasks. I'll just click test this workflow. In this case, I'll just choose Java, and for location I'll just Liverpool, and here I have a number of repos. I can filter if they've posted more than one repo, more than one too, if I use the greater than sign, and then followers count. People with at least 5 followers will have some sort of credit, and you only use this filter if the workflow stops working and you want to resume it. So let me click search, and as you can see, this automation is creating a new sheet in my spreadsheet on Google, and there it is. It's called Liverpool Java, and included my filters, added in the header columns, and it's searching GitHub. So as you can see, slowly it will find profiles and it will start enriching my spreadsheet. Here I have Shane, Frida, Liverpool. I have their followers count, repos, GitHub URL, their email, and they're hireable on GitHub jobs, and so on. So this will keep filling in my sheet for all of the different profiles it finds. As you can see, this automation is running. And my spreadsheet is being filled as we speak. Alright guys, if you want this automation for yourself, I've included a link in the description below. I've included a step-by-step guide on how to set it up on your own environment, as well as a link to download this workflow and import it on your n8n instance. So n8n is free. If you decide to self-host it, it's completely free, but if you decide to run it on the cloud, it's 24 euros per month. I will include my affiliate link in the description. If you decide to go ahead with this faster way, please use my link because I'll receive a small commission at no extra cost to yourself. So yeah, as you can see, we are on the 15th user now. Please make sure to subscribe because I will release content for recruiters, how to automate most of their time-consuming tasks. So I create automations for monitoring job boards. So an automation that monitors more than 35 job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, Greenhouse, and then it will enrich those companies so it finds the decision makers at those companies, including their emails, contact information. If you guys want to see something like that, please let me know in the comments and I will release a video about it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next video.